So one of the biggest challenge for metal 3D printing is adaptation. Uh, when I talk about adaptation, there are several points towards adaptation. One is knowledge, one is how to implement, third is capex, the money part of it. So what Additive Mind specifically does is it helps people to adapt metal 3D printing in a much faster rate. They support them in training their people, they support in consulting, they support in certification, they support in implementation, and they also support in a way forward how they can adapt it even without a capital investment as such. So, Additive Minds, I would say, is not just a technical arm, it's more of a technical and a business arm of EOS, which is more of customer centric in terms of bringing AM into the customer shop floor. EOS as a company has been very committed to the Indian market. We have made investments over a period of time in the last 20 years, and we have seen the market grow from scratch. Right now, what we have is more of a sales, service, training, and a consulting office. Going forward, what we probably are looking at it is local manufacturing of machines and also local manufacturing of raw materials, because we believe that if we are able to bring advantage on the commercial side with local products, then I think we could come more closer to the customers' capital requirements. So I think that's our idea. I think this is my first time at AM Tech. So for me, it's very positive first reaction, I would say, because I've been to a few other AM shows in India. I see that under one roof you have almost most manufacturers. So from a customer perspective, if he comes to AM Tech, I think he will see almost everything down here. And from a OEM perspective like us, I think we had some very strong interactions, very mature interactions to a few industry decision makers, and I feel that we AMTech can only go up from here.